In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for words in Google Docs. This is a super handy feature when you need to find specific information within your document quickly. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Any browser will work, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once you have your browser open, navigate to google.com. This is where you'll begin your journey to accessing Google Docs. Next, look for the sign in button for your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do this to access your documents. Click on sign in. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email, and when you're ready, hit next. Then you'll be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type it in and press next again to continue. Now that you're logged in, look to the right upper side of the screen. You'll see a small grid icon known as the Google Apps icon. Click on it and a list of Google applications will appear. From here, find and select Google Docs. Clicking this will open up Google Docs in a new tab. Once Google Docs is open, navigate to the specific document where you need to search for a word or phrase. For demonstration purposes, open the document titled How to Search for Words in Google Docs. Now here's the main trick. To search within a document, you'll use a keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl plus F. For those using a Mac, press CMD plus F. As soon as you do this, look to the top right corner of the Google Docs window. A small search box will appear. In the search box, type the word or phrase you're looking for. Once you start typing, all instances of your search term will be highlighted throughout the document, making it super easy to spot what you're looking for. If your document contains multiple occurrences of the word or phrase, don't worry. You can navigate through these occurrences using the up and down arrows next to the search box. This allows you to jump from one highlighted instance to the next, ensuring you cover all the relevant parts of your document. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to quickly find words and phrases within a Google Doc. This feature is a huge time saver and a must-know for anyone who works frequently with text documents. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!